I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit chaat sauce. Start by preparing mango, tamarind paste, sugar, lemon juice, green chili, chaat masala, and salt. Peel and chop fruit, then blend tamarind, sugar, and lemon to a smooth consistency. Simmer the mixture until slightly thickened, then fold in chopped fruit and spices. Taste and adjust sugar or chili for balance before serving warm or chilled. Gather ingredients before you cook to keep the process smooth and enjoyable. Use ripe mangoes, tamarind paste, sugar, lemon, green chili, chaat masala, and a pinch of salt. Measure sugar and tamarind to balance tang and sweetness. Start with moderate spice and increase as needed. Keep a little extra lemon handy to brighten the final sauce. Prep all fruit and aromatics so you can blend and simmer without interruptions. Begin by blending tamarind paste, sugar, lemon juice, and water to a smooth sauce base. Pour the base into a small pan and simmer gently, stirring occasionally until it reduces and thickens to a pourable consistency. Fold in chopped mango and other fruits off the heat, then stir in chaat masala and green chili. Taste and tweak sugar, salt, or lemon for balance before serving warm or chilled with snacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.